Assalamu alaikum. My name is Aqsa Wahid. Today we will discuss FADH2 and NADH, its definition and overview. Before moving towards FADH2 and NADH, let's briefly discuss cellular respiration. What is cellular respiration? It is the process of utilizing oxygen and food molecules to create energy, carbon dioxide, water, and waste products. Basically, respiration is how we convert food into energy using water and oxygen. Respiration consists of three separate metabolic phases: glycolysis, Krebs cycle, and electron transport chain. We will not be going into any great detail on these three phases here. Instead, we will be focusing on two compounds, FADH2 and NADH, and how they are incorporated into respiration. What is FADH2? Flavin adenine dinucleotide or FADH2 is a redox cofactor that is created during the Krebs cycle and utilized during the last part of respiration, the electron transport chain. What is NADH? Nicotine amide adenine dinucleotide or NADH is a similar compound used more actively in the electron transport chain as well. In fact, more NADH is produced and used than FADH2 in the process of creating energy. There are actually 6 NADH produced in only 2 FADH2 molecules. Functions: FADH2 and NADH are created from FAD and NAD plus through reduction oxidation reactions in the Krebs cycle during respiration as seen below. This cycle gives off small amounts of energy in the form of adenosine triphosphate or ATP and produces these compounds FADH2 and NADH. The Krebs cycle is like a wheel. Every time it makes one full rotation, energy is created and released. The NAD and FAD are brought in at key points throughout the cycle and are attached to other electrons, resulting in the formation of NADH and FADH2. This energy is then shuttled off to be used by the cell, mostly for the continuation of cellular respiration. Lesson summary: in this lesson, we focused on understanding the specific roles of NADH and FADH2 in the process of cellular respiration. These two compounds are created after the Krebs cycle in respiration and are vital in helping to transport electrons into the mitochondria, which use them in the electron transport chain. They are energy molecules that are utilized by the cell to continue the process of cellular respiration. Without them, respiration couldn't continue and therefore we wouldn't be able to survive.